Hey guys, it's Eric Roberts from APTN, Apex Piano Technicians Network, and I am side by side today with the Accutuner, Sanderson Accutuner 4 and Tunelab, which I just started using, and I'm using them on this Yamaha or Kawai piano here in the studio at MTSU. And I'm just doing, I'm also using the Shark tuning hammer, and I'm just going to be doing testing. And for all you guys out there who are just starting, this piano tuning device is about $1,600. This tuning app is about $299. So I'm side by side testing them, and I'm going to be working with a lot of the people who are in the mentorship in Apex Piano over the next couple months. I'm going to be giving you all of my advice on how to use Tunelab, because if you're just beginning and you're trying to learn to tune pianos, you might not want to spend $1,600 on an Accutuner, although that's the tuner that I've been using and all my techs use in the field. A couple of my new techs are using sometimes Tunelab now. So far, look at these guys are tracking very, very closely. They're tracking very closely on par with perfection. I'm having a little harder time learning to read this because I've been reading this for so long. But they're stopping on this piano exactly in the right spots, making me think that the Tunelab is going to be a great option for anybody who's just getting started, anybody who thinks they want to have a backup tuner to their Accutuner, or they're just getting started and they say, $1,600 is a huge investment for me right now, so you could actually have this thing. Another thing I always worry about with an Accutuner, because I only have one of them in each one of my techs has one of them, so, and I had some extras, I sold them. What if you're out and it breaks? Tunelab would be a great backup, and if you're just getting started, Tunelab would be a great tuner for you to have. Seems like I like it a lot. I like a lot of what it can do. It takes a little bit longer to learn the Accutuner. It's sort of like the screen is a little bit harder to get used to. Not saying that you can't get used to it, but I think there's benefits over both, also with price and with function, and with how it goes. So I'm excited. I'm glad that here at Apex Piano Network that we finally got Tunelab, and we can and we might get some other tuning devices as well. But right now we've got this is a really good affordable price with Tunelab, and then you have a solid work tank in the Accutuner. And so you can use both of them. I'm going to be using both of these in the mentorship, so join me at apexpiano.com if you want to do mentorship, or join us if you want to be a part of the International Piano Technicians Network. Go to apexpiano.com.